you want to make money online? You're sitting in your office right now or in a full-time job and you're thinking, I don't want to stay in this job, but I need money. And I want to maybe travel, maybe work remotely. You want to make money online. And in this video, you'll learn exactly how to make money online and also get ready for a big surprise. One way to make money online, the first way, is teaching or tutoring. Look, when I was still in my corporate job, I actually started this way. I wanted to make money online, didn't know much about the online world at all, wasn't tech savvy at all, and well, a pure beginner in everything online. I just knew that I wanted to escape my job. And if that's you, you are gonna like the rest of this video. The best part about teaching and tutoring is there's no degree required. Many people think you need a certificate or degree. Nope, nope, nope. I speak many languages and I started teaching languages. No degree in languages at all. I know people talk about ESL or T, whatever that name is, or those, and it never hurts to have a certificate, but I never had it and I still don't. And I was teaching conversational English and then French and Dutch to adults. I also had a website in China, I think it was, a Chinese school, and I was teaching about different countries and different cultures because I've lived in many different countries and I dealt with different cultures. So it's really easy that you can use your own experience to teach what you know, what you have experience in. That's exactly how I started. Another big pro is that there's no investment, no money required, and I like to be very careful about my budget. So if that resonates with you, start looking into what you can teach. Remember, you always use your skills because you have experience that you can leverage, much more than you even probably think about right now. If you want to know more about figuring out what to do and the secrets to leave your job and start online, I created this video here that I'll put below as well to help you with that. It's where I share the importance of knowing who you are, what you're good at, and what to do next. By the way, if you like this content, hit the like button and subscribe button right below because that's how YouTube knows that you're enjoying this content. Thank you. Now, surprise for you. Here's Marina, my dear friend, who's here, and she's going to share with us the next way to make money online.
Thank you, Rachel. Another way to make money online is by creating a product to sell online. You don't need a large audience to make sales. You need the right audience, even if that is just a handful of people. When creating a product to sell online, think about where you are today and where you were just 1 or 2 steps ago. What did you wish you knew then? What would have helped you get to where you are today in a quicker and easier manner? When thinking about products to sell online, many people have the misconception that that product needs to be detailed and all-inclusive to make a difference for someone to actually purchase it. In reality, all that product needs to do is help your audience achieve results faster or make their lives easier. This product can be a workbook, printable, or any other item that can be easily downloadable and range from a 1-page PDF to PDFs with multiple pages. If you're a visually creative person or a great writer, you can sell templates related to your expertise. If you're tech savvy or really knowledgeable in a certain area, creating a specific training tutorial is a great way to make money online. If you're helping your audience get results faster or are helping them make their lives easier, you're gold. Start small and then scale. Rachel, now back to you.
Thank you, Marina. That was so good. If you don't know Marina, she has weekly videos to help you say yes to tech by sharing clear, step-by-step tutorials specifically crafted for non-techie entrepreneurs so that you can navigate the tech side of online business with ease. Moving forward, the next way to make money online is super easy. Get ready. Sell your stuff online. Yes. Sell your stuff as secondhand or new on eBay, Amazon, or any other local store or secondhand marketplace that you know of. Take a look at all your stuff in your garage, in your office, in your closet, in your kitchen. I bet you have new things or as good as new that you can sell. Yep, you can. Look, if you're a beginner online like I was, I wanted to start easy and simple and start getting used to making money online. And so this is really the best way to start. There is another big pro is that you're decluttering your house, and that results in a nice and clean, uncluttered house, but also a nice and clean and calm, uncluttered mind. I have sold so much clothes and CDs and computer little accessories that I never really used or hardly used, from $5 to $100 items, from a CD burner to a computer cable, a charger, a phone charger, even USB sticks, a nice dress, some shoes, some leather boots I never even wore, which I regret, but anyway, I never did. So I sold it, and I had some large picture frames and things like that. It all adds up. I have a client who needed money fast, and she had these paintings from her grandfather sitting in boxes, but worth $5,000. She never unpacked the boxes. She was never going to. So boom, $5,000, ka-ching. You want to make money quickly and easily? Go around your house. Seriously, take pictures. Use Amazon, use eBay, use even Facebook Marketplace as well, and local sites where you live. There's so much fun. And 1, you win space and declutter. 2, you make money. 3, you make someone else happy. Win, win, win. If you're still stuck at your 9-to-5 and you want to learn how to break free from corporate and live a life of freedom, make sure to watch my next videos to achieve financial freedom. And last but not least, you want to know 3 more ways to earn money online? Go and check Marina's video, which will pop up right here. And she has 3 more ways to make money online easily. See you in the next video.